Yes, he did. Look, there's 3 trees.
Oh man, that one must be new. That must have fell like recently. Oh.
Damn, dude!
That thing is huge. These trees literally missed this house by inches. Show you how big these trees are. That's my hand, and that's the smaller of the 4. Again, barely missed it. Actually, that one's scraping up against there. Bunch of debris in the pool. Some more damage to the sides, and the back. Some minor damage up here. Yeah, there you go. And that's my bedroom window. So you can see how far or how close it is. And check this out. Let me see if I can zoom out. That's my hand. I probably couldn't even hug this tree.
I can hug it.
Hug it! Yeah, do it, man. See if you can hug it.
Oh, barely.
You're a tree hugger.
Fingertips.